Wow, it's a beautiful. Hi guys, welcome guys, welcome back, welcome to As a Seed TV, welcome back. Yes guys, As a Seed TV is here. I know, thanks my viewers, thanks my subscribers, thanks a million guys. I know it's been a while, but duty call, trust me, in another area where you have to perform. So as a matter of fact guys, I know you probably can't hear me too well because let's do it this way. As I see TV, don't forget guys, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. I really appreciate each and every person, really appreciate each and every one. Thanks a million, thanks for all your support. And guys, my mic, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna turn this around. As I see TV, yeah, I'm gonna have to do probably all the filming this way guys, because my receiver broke on my mic guys, so it's kind of hard to hear me from behind the camera. And yes, it's freezing guys. Yeah, it's freezing cold right now. As you see TV, when I say I'm just outside here going for a walk, trying to keep the joints free. And I want to say guys, big up to ER1 Love TV. Man, see right now, I have to watch where I'm walking, you know, because this winter guys, this winter is really challenging. It's one of the most challenging winters that I have experienced since I have been here. So ER1 Love, I want to big you up here, sir, because I really appreciate the support and the love that you're giving me. As you see TV, love it. And I see you're doing some beautiful contents in Jamaica, ER. I'm telling you, you're doing some serious work down there. You and the man them and the woman them. Yes, man. I see you around in the shot of the darker shades. I do enough work. Man like Sally, I see you. See, you know, the greatest grave digger in Jamaica, or grave maker in Jamaica. Yes, my brother, I see you go and do the thing. Remember the last time I was in Jamaica, I go in the market and cook some of them soup. They run up the way I see you make, my brother. Very nice. So I see you enough love. Big up all the massive and big up all the crew. But yes, ER, I want to say, yeah, thanks for the support, man, and thanks for the love, and keep on doing your thing, because you're doing some beautiful work down there, and I love the content, you know. So it's one love, my brother, and keep up the good work. Thanks for the support. Love it so much. Yeah, man, big up all of the man them, or most of the man them, some and the woman them with ER. Man like Brown, man, big up yourself. Man like Duckalin, big up yourself. Man like Talking TV, Tushi. Man like Eddie, Big Ticks, big up yourself, you know. Rooster, big up yourself. Don't know, we used to go to school together, all away. So I pay love. Boom, family and friend adventure, big up. Yes, man, so I'm just here, guys, by the little lake, because it's very cold, as I'm telling you right now, you know. That's why I'm all in my gloves and my hat, and you know what I'm saying? Right now it's about -19 right now. So ER, it's one of the best time you ever chose to go down in a sweet, sweet Jamaica, because right now I know say in a short trousers and, you know, maybe flip-flops them call it. So have fun, my friend, and keep up the keep up the good work. God is the greatest. Color Summit TV, yeah. Big up Color Summit TV. That's Color Summit's motto. You understand? God is the greatest. Without God, we are nothing. So, as you see, TV just wants to show his appreciation to you, ER1 Love TV. So, don't forget, guys, to share, like, subscribe. ER1 Love. He's a great man. Same way, go. Yeah, man, I'm just down on the liquor, alongside the Humber River. I'm always by the Humber River, cause. And again, guys, my mic, bear with me. I'm gonna get a mic just now so I can go behind the camera and do a little bit more filming, get a little bit more creative. But bear with me, guys, cause the receiver on my mic broke, man, and I can't pick it up. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I mean, I'm just gonna have to get a new one, but it's time. Everything is time, guys. As I see, TV is here, guys. Guys, thank you for sharing, thank you for liking, thank you for telling a friend. To tell a friend. Because my camera, you can pick up the voices from in front of the camera, clearly. But when I'm behind the camera, it's kind of a little bit low. So that's what the mic is for. Black ice, them call that, If you don't watch where you're walking, you see all them ice them and picture down ambulance and fire truck if you come down here in a bush for you. But yes, guys, I just want to say, God is good. It's been challenging this year, a little bit challenging. Yeah, so I'm just doing my best trying to fit in, things that I have to get done. A little moving around here and some stuff get a little bit scrambled, but God is good and God is love. Jamaica know if you say love is the answer. Love your brother, love your sister, love your neighbors. Love everyone. Yes, guys, I'm just walking down here. I think I made a video down here already too, All of this here is grass. It's a baseball diamond. It's a soccer field. Tennis court is over there. See, you have the lights, but right now it's under snow. Maybe I should head back that way, because yeah, this way really it's a little bit too icy right now to go that way. So yes, guys, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing, thank you to tell a friend. As you see, TV, really appreciate it. Each and every person, each and every one. Yes, guys, wherever you are in the world, just do the right thing. Do what is right, Yeah, do what works for you. As you see, TV mothers, do what works for you. Yeah, because right now it's a challenging time, I'm telling you, for most people, including myself, because I'm feeling it like everyone else, because, I'm human. It's very challenging right now, man. Even just to get out of your house right now, if you don't have to work, really and truly, you don't come outside right now. Yeah, man, because sometimes, I'm on the road there and, I see people going to work and they just look so cold, man, and the winter just like, So it's as a matter of fact, guys, it is so challenging sometimes that when you see someone that you even know, sometimes their head is not even up, their head is down, and we're just going about our business because we're either cold, coming from work, school, wherever. You just want to get home, you just want to get off the road. You know, you don't want to stop and say hi or hello because the vibe, man, the coldness don't give you the vibe, you know, like in the summertime when everybody's out and it's just a different vibes, guy, but God is good. Yeah, and it's Black History Month. Happy Black History Month to each and every person, to each and every one, wherever you are in the world. Again, as you see it, TV, saying Happy Black History Month because, you know, we have some great black people, you know, some great black leaders, you know, entrepreneurs, inventors, you know what I mean? Touch all the sport thing, yeah. Even in our community, we have some great people because, you know, Black History Month, it's one of the time where in the schools and stuff, a lot of our histories are shown. But in the community, we have some single fathers, we have some single mothers, we have families that are struggling. And I just want to say Happy Black History Month to all the black single mom, all the black single mom, all the black family. You know what I mean? To each and every person who really identify this month. Know that it means a lot to us, you know. Yeah, we would say Black History Month is every day, we know that. But we just want to acknowledge the fact that it is Black History Month, and I want to say Black Happy History Month. Be proud of your blackness. Make nobody tell you anything, because, you know, once your roots are strong, you know who you are, you know where you're going, and you know where you're from. We can always listen to people, you know, but we don't have to take their advice. And we do know when to take advice when it's good. So, Happy Black History Month. Happy Black History Month. I just see TV say that. Yeah, guys, I'm just walking by here. I'm gonna show you it's the Olympics. It's unfortunate Canada men and women, they lost the gold, man, but you know, we'll get them. We'll get them. We'll get them, but that's just life, because you never know. We won it so many times, and this time it's just, you know. But I want to show you guys this sculpture here. Yeah, guys. You're not going to hear me too loud, but this is a hockey guy made of ice. This is how cold it is. This guy is all ice right now, I'm telling you. This is the perfect statue. You seen this? Right away, you know, the top, the stick, the man with this. It's got everything in it, guys. Look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is how they get food in the winter time over here, because it is so cold this winter. I'm telling you guys. But yeah. See? That's it right there. It looks amazing. Look at it. Yeah, man, so we're gonna keep it going because as I said, my mic is not working so well, so I gotta film it from the front. But I'm just checking out the parking lots here. There's some bylaws officers here, and they look like they're giving cars tickets, which I don't believe. You can get a ticket right now in the parking lot, because unless that car has been there and there's some suspicious reason. But I don't know. Here comes a tow truck, so it looks like it's been there for a while or something. But I'm not worried because I'm not illegally parked, so I think I'm okay. Yes, guys, so thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sharing. Thank you. Tell a friend. To tell a friend. My fingers, man. My fingers are freezing right now. Mind you, I got my gloves on, but I'm telling you, the only way to keep warm is be somewhere warm right now. Trust me, so. Yeah, man, the other day I went down to the Jack Darling Park there and make some beautiful content. But, yes, my general, unlock. But as I'm saying, my mic was broken, man. And I picked some parts up and some parts I could barely hear it, so I decided just now, like, we have to do the video from the front like this, you know. So yes, guys, as I see TV, really appreciate each and every person, each and every one. Yes, guys, so you know, we call this a liquor aerial view. Yeah, man. Really appreciate each and every person, each and every one. Thanks a million, guys. Thank you for sharing, thank you for liking, thank you to tell a friend. To tell a friend as I see it TV. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna head back in, you know, because right now I'm telling you, it's getting cold on my fingers. Yeah, so like, I don't want to overdo this thing because it takes so long to warm up back, so I'm gonna head up back there now, you know. Back up at the machine, you know, I'm gonna sit down in there and warm up. So I really appreciate each and every person, each and every one. Yeah, man, beautiful thing about this is, excuse me, guys, you're getting some sun. And whether it's winter or summer, we need the sun, you know, because as you guys know, the sun is very important. Yeah, as you see, TV is gonna cut across there. I'm telling you guys, look, ice, I'm walking on ice. This is the splash pad that the kids can play in the summertime. If you don't know, maybe you wouldn't believe it if somebody don't tell you, but as I say, you know, as you see TV, see it for yourself, hear it for yourself. Yeah, man, because you know the news thing going on. You don't see it for yourself and hear it for yourself. Hard to believe, you know. Sometimes people twist up story and type up story. You know, you just have to listen. You know, if you choose to listen, just listen. And pass no judgment or no one. Just see it for yourself, hear it for yourself as you see it. That's a TV. It's one word, guys. Remember, as I see it, TV. Really appreciate each and every person. Maurice Kid TV, big up yourself, and I don't think that, I don't know. I do know. Big up Killer Neglinton, massive. Man like Beagle Juice up at your place. You always have a place, as me say now, because no matter what, man can either pass by and check you, and probably you end up seeing someone that you haven't seen in a while. So respect Juice man, go and hold it down no matter what them say. Yeah man, big up Killer Eglinton, just like that, for your place. Black Neighborhood. And happy Black History Month again from Azasi TV. I don't know. So guys, I want to say thank you for sharing, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Thank you to tell a friend, As I say, TV, really appreciate it. Really appreciate each and every person. Really appreciate each and every one. May I tell you right now, my lips are dry. I can't even say the words them properly without it just dry up because of the cold. Yeah, and I say me not put Vaseline or whatever on it, but it is cold, so yeah. As I say, TV guys, thanks a million. Really appreciate each and every person. Bye bye for now. One love. Yes guys, as you see TV, remember, you know, we don't cut and we don't edit. As you see it, what you see is what you get. As you see TV. So you are right now guys. Come back out from in the cold and in the machine, you know. All my nose are running a rasta, so I tell you, it's like the weather outside there right now, man. Only if you have to go to work. Sorry guys. You can't come outside. As you see TV, you know, don't feel no way. So we do it. Me don't have no wipes, me don't have no napkin. No, I have napkins, but I don't have any wipes. So here now I bring some liquor, a liquor grub here, you know. My wife make this food here last night, you know. Some steamed fish. And me eat some last night. This morning me say, you know, I go shoot a video, yeah. And I go hungry, you know, so here what I do now, I just bring some rasta because nowadays you can't afford to throw away nothing, you know, man. So if you talk about overnight food make you this and overnight food make you that. Look at it. I wish you could have seen it. I wish you can see it. Oh. Yes guys, as I see TV, you know, this is spec. That is how we do it. We eat fish and spit bone. We're outside, we can do that because those bones, it's for an animal, something will come and consume that. So yes, we have some carrots guys, look, some like a baby carrots, I'm telling you. Guys, it is so nice. It have one ginger flavor, yeah. Where? Well, look up piece of bread, yeah. Yeah. So yes guys, thanks a million for watching As You See TV. Thanks a bunch. I really appreciate each and every person. And yeah, you know, I want to big up a general when I meet up a restaurant up on the Kill Street. As a matter of fact, You're So Nice. The other day, I go up on the road there, I go in a You're So Nice to purchase a food. And as I go in there, and I yell up the lady and I purchase my food, and I see one general. Look like him up on the work because him have on him work uniform still. And me see him and him see me, and I say, where you say general? I don't know this man, you know, I don't know the man. I say, where you say general? And him say, heal up man. I say, yes man, heal. I say, where you say? I say, as you see it. Or I say, check it out man. I say, yes, as you see it, you know. I say, I have a channel, I am As You See It TV, check it out. And him say, yeah, man, just go on him phone. Bam bam. Subscribe, share and like same time. So I want to big you up my general. I want to say enough respect for the support. Yeah, real man, because you're there on the work. I see up on the work and I say, oh, go and you say, boy, I put it in, you know, because if you don't put it in, you don't get it out. So big up yourself, my general, if you see this video or when you see this video, you don't know. One love, you hear? Alright, that is it. Yeah. Just do what you can. Do what works for you. You know what I'm saying, bro? Sometimes it's hard, just even to lend a hand. It's hard because sometimes you're not feeling the vibes. I'm telling you, especially in this winter here. Yeah, so it's even hard. I'm gonna tell you guys this. It's out of this world. So I still, you know, look like a piece of bone when I there, my throat, you know, I eat a piece of bread. That's how them do it. You know, I don't knock any restaurant, you know, and I haven't gone to show any restaurants on my channel. I try to do my little thing. Especially when it come to, you know, the main course, them, like a fish, chicken, beef. I try to do those things myself. Excuse me, guys. No disrespect, but I say you have a spit bone. As you see TV, what you see it is what you get. We don't cut and we don't edit. So if you see something and it look unappetizing to you or whoever it is, just as you see it. It's no disrespect. Yes, but back to us what I'm saying now. With most of these restaurants, I believe that they can do a little bit better. Because restaurant work is a lot of work, you know, guys. It's a lot of work. So sometimes we kind of see the what would you say, you know, we see a spot and we say, yeah man, money can make this, you know, and you get excited and, you know, but when you realize how much work it is sometimes, and you also have to be able to have someone, I don't like to use the word people, or a person that you can trust. You understand? Which is why a lot of our restaurants don't make it, because we kind of not know the work and to trust people, because some of us, you know, Some of us are very slick. Can't trust anybody out there have a business. You gotta know who to trust. It's a big word. A lot of people take it lightly. But if you're the boss, you cannot do it all by yourself. If you come up with ideas, you need a main person to push it. And somebody who looks over, you know, your stuff the right way as how you would. So it's all in the restaurant business, guys. It's one of the most challenging, you know the word what I'm trying to say. It's business to start and let it flourish is the restaurant business. As a matter of fact, it's the hardest business in the whole of the business thing. Your stuff has to be fresh, your stuff has to be tasty, your stuff has to be on time. You need people who understand that. You have to advertise. Sorry. Advertising is one of the main thing to do when you have any form of business. You have to advertise. You never stop. You could go out and drop all 5 flyers. None no come, 1 come, sometimes all 5 come. You know, social media is an awesome platform to get your business out there. But you can't step away from the roots. The days of flyers, business card. If you're a business and every day, not every day, well every day, you run 50 flyers. Nine or 10 of them must respond. Maybe not the same day. So your business owners, please guys, be passionate about your stuff. As you see TV, man. Yeah. That's what I think. Because by trade I'm a butcher, you know, guys. Butchering is not an easy. It's not an easy work. But it's my passion. Yes, guys, so. I'm not a fish person, you know, believe it or not. But I found this place where I go and I buy these fish. Them fish come with all the belly in them. So you know they can't keep them for too long. It's a little bit expensive. But it can't be too expensive for your belly. What you put in is what you get, as you see TV. This machine here run off of the best gas. And So what kind of gas you put in the machine? I say the best. Him says it require. I say no. He says a big machine and it can handle it. And the best gas lasts longer, it don't blow out so quick. Cheap gas blow out too quick, my brethren. I feel a piece of bone there, you know, I hope it go good down. I eat piece of bread same time. I just eat cheese. Now me and the family I go up north. I'm telling you, this week this year we haven't done nothing. I'm gonna put in the top gas. I have to stop on one road, boat to go and come. 2-3 hours to go and to come back. To full this up, don't have to fill it up again. May cost you a little bit more, but you get the performance and the distance. So what you put in is what you get. If you want good fish, buy good fish. If you want bad fish, buy bad fish. If you want cheap product, buy cheap product. Things that are on sale sometimes, just watch the date, man. Excuse me, watch the date. The sales are good, you know, but you have to know what to buy on sale. Because it's not an easy time. So when we see a sale, sometimes I'll come meet. Sometimes we don't check the date. Even canned products, check the date. Any product, check the date. Alright guys, thanks a million for sharing. Thanks a million for liking. As you see TV, really appreciate each and every person. Wherever you are in the world, may God bless you. Keep safe. And do the right thing. As you see TV.